Massive developments coming in on the NCB's investigation into Bollywood drug probe. Here's a new twist. Actor Rakul Preet, who is supposed to appear before the NCB today, has now put out a statement saying, "I have not received any summons." Now, the NCB sources have told us, have responded to Rakul's statement saying that this is just an excuse. Summons were issued to Rakul, but there's been no response. Looks like it's unlikely that Rakul Preet is going to appear before the NCB today. The Narcotics Control Bureau is saying we've issued the summons. There's been no response from her. Rakul Preet, on the other hand, has put out a statement saying that she hasn't received any official summons either at her Mumbai house or at her Hyderabad residence. Amit Tyagi is joining us live from Rakul Preet's residence. We also have Saurabh Bhaktania getting us the latest from the NCB office, where, remember, Simone Kambata is currently being questioned. Amit, to you first. Is Rakul Preet at her residence in Mumbai? Looks unlikely at this point that she's going to be stepping out and heading to the NCB office.
Yes, Akshita, just now Rakul has released an official statement that she hasn't received any summon at her Mumbai as well as Hyderabad place where she was shooting for her Telugu film. So right now I'm at her house since morning, keeping a track. But it's not clear. She came to Mumbai last night where she was after completing her shoot in Hyderabad. And she was supposed to reach NCB office at 11, but it seems unlikely because I think she is making various excuses that her team must have advised that these can the way she can delay the kind of appearing to the NCB. And now, but the NCB officials are saying this different story.
Yes.
There are various theories, but it seems unlikely that Rakul will step out of her house because already the time has come. She has to leave.
Amit, we'll come back to you. We're having a bit of a problem with your audio, but I want to focus on what Amit has said. He said that Rakul Preet has issued a statement. She was supposed to be at the NCB office right now. Instead, we've received this statement where Rakul says, "I haven't received any summons, so there's no question of me going to the NCB office." Saurabh, what does the NCB have to say about Rakul's statement that she hasn't received these summons?
Well, NCB officials, Akshita, are telling that they have tried to contact her. That is on all the social media platforms, also at her both houses. Now, one house of her is in Hyderabad, the other is in Mumbai. So, NCB officials have told us that their team had already went there and they had tried to give her summons, but she has not accepted it. So, this is a big thing which I'm telling you, Akshita, that the NCB has tried a lot to give summons to Rakul, but she has not received it. But the NCB is clearly saying this is just a mere tactic, and in future, if she does not appear today for questioning, she will be called again. They will try to get in touch with her, but they have all the legalities available with them. But NCB officials are also telling Akshita, her questioning with Simone Kambata is very important. Now, firstly, it is the first FIR that was filed by the Delhi Special SIT team under the guidance of KPS Malhotra. So, Simone Kambata and Rakul's name came in after the investigation of Riya Chakrabarti. So, what NCB today was planning is, Akshita, they will be questioning both of them separately. After that, they both will be questioned together, as the NCB official told us. But if Rakul does not arrive today at the NCB official office, so it won't be possible for them to question both of them together. Simone Kambata is already here. The questioning of her by the NCB officials are already started over here. But we will have to wait because a statement which has been given by the team of Rakul, it clearly says that she has not received any summon. So therefore, there is no chance that she will come to NCB office today. But NCB officials just now, when we spoke to them, they have clearly told us that clear summons were given to her, not just at her house at Mumbai, but also at her office in Hyderabad as well. Therefore, she has to come for the questioning. If she's saying she has not received it, but we'll give her a summons once again. She was tried to give her summons from all the platform. This is the specific word which has been used by the NCP official, that they tried to summon her on all platform, on both her addresses in Mumbai and Hyderabad. But she is saying now that she has not received any statement, any summons. So it will be very important and interesting to see how they carry forward this case. But NCB is very sure that anyhow she has to someday arrive at the NCB guest house and answer all the questions which will be put by the NCB team.
Here's what the Has said sources in the NCB, when we asked them about the fact that Rakul Preet has put out the statement that she hasn't received any summons, they've said that we tried to contact her through various platforms. We reached out to her on her phone as well as other ways. She's not responded so far. She's not responding to any of the phone calls. The NCB also saying that they had information that yesterday she was in Hyderabad. She is in Mumbai right now, but they seem to be maintaining that summons were issued to her both in Hyderabad and in Mumbai. Rakul Preet's statement, however, is completely contrary to that. She's saying that she hasn't received any summons either in Mumbai or at her residence in Hyderabad. So this seems to suggest that Rakul Preet is not going to appear before the Narcotics Control Bureau, and perhaps this will take more time. Another summon will have to be issued to her. Then we'll have to see if she confirms that she receives it, and then if she chooses to appear before the NCB. But here's another development in the story.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.